Hello everyone, Dr. Neha Garg here. Welcome to the Healthy Buddha family. If you are dealing with perimenopausal symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, painful urination and poor sleep, then this video is for you. Today I will share about 3 powerful seeds straight from Ayurveda but backed by science that can balance estrogen naturally in menopause as well as in menstrual irregularities. So let's dive in. Seed number 1 are flax seeds, which are tiny but mighty. Per Ayurveda, regular intake of flax seeds calms the Vata dosha and helps support regular cycles. Flax seeds are a rich source of lignans, which act as estrogen modulators and balance it in both low as well as high hormonal conditions. So it will help with both postmenopausal symptoms as well as menstrual issues. A 16-week randomized trial found that 25 grams of ground flaxseed taken every day improved 2-hydroxyestrone pathway in the postmenopausal women. So add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of freshly ground flaxseed daily to your morning oats smoothies, your fresh fruit cup, or your yogurt raita. Number 2 are sesame seeds, the ancient hormone tonic. Per Ayurveda, it is heavy, nourishing, and warming that pacifies the Vata dosha. Sesame lignans improve estrogen metabolism as well as the metabolism of its balancing hormone, which is called SHBG. A randomized crossover trial in postmenopausal ladies showed that intake of 50 grams of sesame per day for 5 weeks showed an increase in urine biomarkers that indicated beneficial estrogen handling as well as an increase in antioxidant markers. Sesame seeds are also rich in calcium and will help support your bone health after menopause. So don't forget to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds or raw sesame seeds to your soups, salads, and curries. The third and the last remedy is fenugreek or methi seeds, the gentle phytoestrogen and hot flash helper. Per Ayurveda, it balances the Vata and the Kapha doshas. A 90-day randomized controlled trial showed the effect of 1 gram per day fenugreek extract in postmenopausal women. 120% rise in estradiol was seen with significant reductions in hot flashes and overall menopausal symptoms. So you can soak a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds overnight and consume both the seeds as well as the water in the morning. Or you can just add a tablespoon of methi seeds to your lentils and curries. This brings us to the end of today's video and a quick recap. Flaxseed and sesame seeds escort estrogen into safer and healthier pathways that reduce postmenopausal symptoms. Sesame seeds also support bone health. Fenugreek seeds, they soothe the hot flashes by gently topping up the estrogen. That's Ayurveda and science shaking hands right on your plate. If you find this helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button and drop in a comment. Till next time, stay balanced, stay radiant, and let your hormones dance to your rhythm and not the other way around. Please subscribe.